Hi, I would love to tell you about my contour kit by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I love this. I use it all the time. I have bought it a couple of different times. You could tell probably how well loved it is, but I love it. So I like this one. I think this one is called Fawn. This is the one I use for contour, and I use this type of brush and just do kind of that hollow area. And then this one is called Sands, and that's the one I like to use. Hopefully you could see it, just a little touch right there. I love how much there is. You get a lot of powder in one circle. And I really love how there are options here, like on the highlighter, you can tell that Sands is kind of shimmery. The banana is more of a matte. And no matter which one you use, it's like that finely milled powder, which I love. So I don't use all of these, but I like having the option, based on your underlying skin tone, which one that you want to use. If you want to use more, like this one I like to use, I feel like this one is a little bit on the cool side and this is a warmer. So yeah, that's why I like that a lot. So I highly recommend this. It's such a good, high quality product. And by the way, the lid is has like a slight magnetic so it stays closed. So highly recommend this. Anastasia Beverly Hills is just a high quality brand anyway. And I like this. And by the way, this is the light to medium. Thanks.